Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have these Inpods 12 TWS earphones. So these earphones TWS 12 comes in 4 different colors: blue, yellow, pink and green. We have the blue one right here. These earphones have Bluetooth 5.0, a 35 mAh battery per earphones and a 300 mAh box battery that you can charge it multiple times. You can use up to 10 meters range these earphones for 2 to 3 hours. They are easy to use and easy to charge. As you can see, these earphones have a beautiful color, or very small and portable to use, and we will see how to connect them, how to use them in this video. So stay tuned, we will see all of this in a bit. So right now, let's go ahead, unbox these and see what we got in the box. Also test them, give it a try, and I'm going to tell you my impression about these earphones. So let's go ahead, see what we got more from these earphones TWS 12. So as we saw, these earphones are pretty incredible, they look good. So let's go ahead, see what we got in this box and how they perform. Let's see how to connect them and what we have here. We can see we have Android and iOS, Bluetooth 5.0, made in China. We have here the color green, and you can see the name, Earpods 12. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and we have this incredible green, or green and blue color. Underneath we have the charger, also the user manual. So let's go ahead, take these off. We have here now the earbuds, or the earphones. As you can see, we have here the button to power it on and off. So in this case, you power on the case to charge the earphones, and we have here the charging port. As you can see, is the iOS charging type of port. So let's go ahead, see how to connect these earphones. Grab a phone and let's connect them. So now to power them on, you just take them out and these are touch screen. So you hold them, you can kind of see the colors going. So you just go to your phone, turn on the Bluetooth, go to pair new device. As you can see, we have the i12 TWS right here. Press it. It says pairing. Now we should wait until they are paired. Press allow and pair, and I just heard them said connected. So now we can go ahead and try some music. Let's go to the YouTube. I always search for copyright free music, even though I am testing earphones. In that way, none of the sound will capture by camera and I'm not going to get a copyright strike. Let's try this one, see how they feel. So they fit actually real good, not too snug, but That's maybe okay for some people. For me, I like to have snug earphones so not everyone around me would know what I'm listening to. But either way, let's go ahead, play this song. I'm going to tap one time in one earphone, and that will make to play the music right here. As you can see, the volume is all the way up. I don't know if you can hear from these earphones or not, but I actually can't hear myself. These earphones have a great volume and a great sound actually. The bass is alright. Everything is working pretty good. Let me just put them right beside the camera. Maybe the mic from camera will pick these up. Maybe you can hear them a little bit from outside, but honestly these are pretty good. So you can see that they have these options. Press 1, you can play and pause the music. If you press it twice, it will call the last number. Press twice in the left one. I don't know if the left one, okay, again the left one has the same options, so if you press twice it will call the last number. Press 3 times, again it will call the last number that you have contact with. So guys, this was all for today's video testing these i12 TWS earphones, wireless and Bluetooth. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.